Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up and sign up to Ecwid and set up your store. First of all, you want to click get started for free if you of course want a free plan. They also have some plans like for 21 per month, 39 or 89, so you can see all of the products. The free store is not so good, but you can start for free and just look if you like it. Now to sign up, you want to enter your first and last name. Now you want to also enter your email and password. So just enter those up. And then click next, set up your store. Now you're going to enter your store name. I'm just going to leave it like so, or we can write down something like so. Now you want to choose your country and currency, then click next. Now you want to enter company address to get paid and set up the delivery. And you will need to enter a few questions about yourself. So like, are you already selling? What products will you be selling? Because they will set up some samples for you. So for example, let's choose home and furniture. And for a client, now let's click next. If you already have a website, you can click yes and enter your website here. For example, maybe you're using WordPress. Now let's click next. And again, create a free store. Now, once you are done doing that, you will need to set up a lot of things. So first of all, before adding your products, you want to go ahead and go to payment right there. And now you want to add payment methods. So Stripe, PayPal, Square, some manual payment methods like bank transfers, cash on delivery, if you are offering such. But I would probably suggest you to add Stripe and PayPal, maybe Square too. And after that, they will appear right there, pay by cash, and you will be able to enable them or disable. So that's that. Now, once you will set up your payment methods, you want to set up shipping. But first, of course, we need to add some products to set up those shippings for them. So first, you're gonna go to catalog and products. Here is some sample products. So if you are adding your own products, you want to go ahead, select them all, and delete all sampled products. So let's do that. Or I'm just gonna leave it so I could have some examples for you to show. Now, once you open up this edit product page, here you can add images, set up the price. These are all for the upgraded account, product availability, description, now some attributes, options. So if you offer some other options, you can add them here. Files. This is for digital products. So to sell digital products, you need to set up a upgraded account. Now the shipping and pickup, you can enter what it weighs, or you can set up free shipping, fixed rate per item, or you can just use your store shipping methods, and we're gonna go ahead and set them up. You can preview the product here. And that's basically it. Now the buy now button, this will be embedded on your site. You can stay on this page, let's save it, and you can embed the buy button here. So compact, buy only, full size, or the free columns, and then you generate the code and copy this integration to your site. Now, once you're done with adding your products here on the product page, you go to categories, and here you want to add some root category. So you name it, for example, chairs, and then add a file which will represent those chairs. and add a description, save it, and like that you have a chair. Now you want to add some category products to this category, so you assign them like so. So we can just add the product here, and now it is here. Now we want to set up shipping and pickup. So you offer shipping, add a shipping, choose your partners, so like FedEx, USPS, and so on and so forth. Automatically calculated rates. There's also a free shipping. You can add the shipping price to your product and do a free shipping if you want, custom rates, and so on and so forth. If you choose this one, you will need to enter the company address, and then there is a design button which will change your look of your site. You can choose which one you want to use for your site, a square or now I always try to center everything. You can enable the card if you want, and there's many things you can actually edit, like these. Some category name position, page layout. You can change the look of it, navigation, sidebar, and that's basically it. There's also create your CSS theme. You can create a theme here if you want with CSS. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you set up your account. When you want to add it to your website, you just click here, sales channels. If you use WordPress, click here, or some other Squarespace, for example, or custom website. If you use WordPress, click here and basically connect it to your WordPress. If you use a custom website, click here and copy the code to your embedded code to your website. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.